Okay, this is Timothy and Paul's very first snowman. Look at that. Look at, what do you guys have to say? What do you want to tell them about your snowman?
Well, I was thinking about putting snow for the earmuffs.
Snow earmuffs. That's a really good idea. How about you, Paul?
I want some new Christmas snowman. I want a real Santa Claus.
Are you talking to the Christmas snowman? And you want a real Santa Claus, huh? Okay. All right.
And also, these branches came off that tree.
Oh, it came off this tree right here. Very resourceful, Timothy.
And
Wow.
this right here. This snowball, Paul made that snowball, and you made that snowball, Mr. Tim.
Look at that. You guys did such a great job. I am so proud of you. Sally, what do you think? What do you think of that snowman, huh? You like it? Oh. Okay, well.
Daddy, I'm making this.
You making feet, are you?
This is channel 8.
Good job.
Over and out.
Timothy, what kind of advice do you have for anybody that wants to make a snowman? What advice would you give them about making snowmen? Because you are really good at this. What kind of advice would you give them?
I would say you would have to get a bunch of snow, put it on here.
Okay.
And then you can find some tree branches and put them on there.
Okay, all right. Then what else? Any secrets that you want to share with them about making a snowman?
Oh, well, here's another secret. Can I see? No, what's supposed to be there? That was the feet. No, the feet had to be at the bottom.
Paul, what about you? Any secrets you want to share with anybody about making a snowman?
But
How would you tell someone to make a snowman, Paul?
Daddy, I want for Christmas, I'm making a bigger snowball for you again.
You're whispering into the snowman's ears, and you're gonna make you're wishing for a bigger snowfall for him?
Here's the secret I would share with you.
Okay, Timmy, look at the camera when you tell me.
If you want to make snowman feet, get some sticks and put them under.
Good job, guys. Good job.
This is channel 8, over and out. Daddy, I'm making a snow butt.
You're making a what?
A snow butt.
A snow butt? Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, are you done? Are you done with it? Because I haven't seen the backside of a snowman before. I've never seen a snow butt.
Now the penis.
You guys are so good at making snowmen.
I'll show you the snow butt.
Look at that.
I make that a penis too.
No. No, I don't think so. That's not appropriate.
I make that like that penis right.
No, Paul, that's not appropriate, sweetie. Okay, guys.
This is
Stand by your snowman, Paul. Other side.
This is channel 8. Over and out.
Okay, ready, guys? Here. I want you to smile.
Christmas,
Listen, smile and tell everybody Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Have good time making your snowmans.
Okay, over and out. Merry Christmas 2009, December the 18th.
For snowman and everybody, make their snowman in the whole wide world.
Okay, everybody, wave goodbye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.